Hi everyone, it's Arthur from Zebra Home Cinema. We're playing around with our blinds today. If you've already got blinds fitted and don't have automated blackout blinds, it can be quite difficult trying to control light, particularly if you've got a projection system. So we've come up with an idea of how to reduce that light. Let me show you how. Hi Dave.
Hiya.
So just, do you want to explain what you've been doing?
Certainly, I'll just talk you through it. We've got the conventional window frame and the shuttering that goes onto the plastered wall. What I've done is to put, first of all, a line just tacked onto the shuttering of the window frame, which stops any light filtering round the corner. Then I've put a front face onto this, if you like, the finished face here. Now if we bring the shutter blind down, as you can see on the previous one, you got the light filtering round the side, giving you that annoying light. Now it's a total blackout.
Fantastic.
But there's going to be a pelmet that goes across the top, and it will also hide the chain area here, and also, which is most important, you've got access to help to open and close the blind still. There we go, guys.
Thank you very much indeed.
Oh, that is absolutely fantastic, man.